So the first thing you may notice on your Tuesday afternoon is going to be the hazier sky out there. We have some wildfires burning over in Utah, and that wildfire smoke is getting pushed into our sky here in Colorado, into the Denver area. May have noticed it yesterday, likely to notice it going into the afternoon as well. Even tonight into tomorrow, that smoke likely to continue impacting us. We do have some air quality alerts for the Denver area this afternoon. We'll be looking at some poor air quality concerns for today, higher ozone levels as well, so something to be mindful of. Then as we head into the second half of the day, we are turning our attention to the severe weather threat that is posed for us here in the Denver area up into northern Colorado. We're under a level 3 risk for severe storms. That's that enhanced category, a little unusual for us here in Denver. Some of these storms could produce hail that's 2 to 3 inches in diameter. That's larger than a golf ball, maybe even a little bit larger than a baseball. So looking at some very large hail now. Not everyone is going to see that large hail, but some folks could pick up hailstones that are quite that big. Damaging winds gusting in excess of 75 miles per hour, even some tornado development, some rotation going into the afternoon. Timing wise, it's mid to late afternoon. We'll start to see the storms pick up around after about 2 o'clock today. And then as we move into the evening hours, those storms are going to continue to strengthen and intensify. They'll hang on late tonight and even into early tomorrow morning. We'll be dealing with the threat for some severe weather. So a little unusual as far as the timing is concerned on that also. Just a great day to stay weather aware. Park the car inside if you can. High temperatures today getting into the low to mid 80s for the Denver area. A little reprieve from the heat this afternoon. We'll be in the upper 90s, even triple-digit heat down into southeastern Colorado. 70s and 80s up in the high country with more 90s for the western slope. Mountain communities today under red flag warnings again this afternoon with some high fire danger. Gusty wind and low relative humidity will be an issue again this afternoon. Tonight we'll be cooling down into the mid-50s. By tomorrow, warming back up, upper 80s, low 90s possible. It'll be a sunny start, but another stormy afternoon. I-25 corridor and eastern plains all under a level 2 risk for some severe weather, with hail and wind being our key threats again tomorrow. But we could also see some localized flooding with some of these heavier downpours. That's both Wednesday and into Thursday. So to time it out for you, Wednesday is going to start on the quieter side, but by Wednesday mid to late afternoon, we'll start to see those storm chances increase. That will carry us through the evening time frame. For the high country, those storms are going to linger Wednesday night as well. By Thursday, we're going to be staying in the 80s. We do have more storm potential on Thursday, although the risk for severe weather here in the Denver area not quite as high. Friday, a chance at some isolated storms in the afternoon, but temperatures bouncing back into the 90s, and we stay sunny, hot, and dry going into the weekend and early next week, which carries us into the beginning of July.